People of the vlog. A mood when you have something. Mood when you have something. Surprise for eyes. It's a food. Guess if you I call that.
People of the vlog, come with me. Turn around.
Before we show you guys the room, let's roll it back to my reaction when I first saw the room.
I can go it was skip on. See.
It's
Shit! Boy! Did you protect the street? It's in 45. It's in 45. Ngithengile minye musha meki. Very.
kuti kabhafu nithengile futhi meke minye misha amidlali kabi funa kufaka futhi nyume
It's in 45. I 45.
40 angowethela brand new
Yeah, it's a two-man convoy and it's a two-man convoy. The man have no bailo tsa ha wa mo. Ma go tsa ka mo. People of the vlog, welcome to another episode. We are celebrating 1K subscribers. Find Wait, come on, pay. This is a celebration for the 1K subscribers. Thanks to him. Wente. Nisa. Awa. Very sharp. And then this one. You look it. Yeah. And then this side we've got Itoy. Oh, let go. Here. Yo. This says. My fellow Toti. My fellow Toti.
Singawo la matao.
No,
Makona albatin.
How low? Okay, go.
Ipupo.
How low? Okay, go. How low? Okay, go.
190.
Panam.
16 la.
Hi.
Yenza ile la side manje.
Kodwa khululeka. Ngegrind endlini.
Oh, yes, yeah. Thank you.
Welcome to my vlog. So today it's Brazil Fest, and yeah, today I'll be holding the camera for the daily drive. And yeah, it's still early in the morning, around 8. I'm late. I have to go get the car wash real quick. And now I'm just going over this speed hump right here, and I just hear the car cut. So basically what happened was battery moved and it cut power. So battery. So as I'm looking at the battery, I see there's this oil stains right here. Check. So I was like, in time. So I inspect closer, and if you can see by the TV, that bolt, focus, that bolt right there. Maybe I can show you better from the other side. Yeah. Basically, my CV bolts are loose. So yeah, I have to tighten that real quick for anything. So yeah, you'll probably see me at Brazil Fest. Because this video will be uploaded later on. But yeah, let me. Yeah, we'll finish it later on. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we're back on the road. But yeah, we're back on the road. Let me drive proper. Using my wrong hand. There we go. Back on the road. But yeah, let's get to it. Yes, back to my vlog. So now we are ready. We're going to the event. We are actually late, 11 and chapter 3. We're late. And then yeah, it's very static Yaris featuring me. Yeah, I got new look. I'm angry. Once I go, Narabafana 165.40. Really good. Bafana 165.40. Yeah, we're still letting the cars warm up, but Ratama Ebila. And yeah, see you there. Yeah, some rolling shots will be included more. Yeah, but see you there. people of the vlog. We are now at the entrance. The phone is about to die, but yeah, we're almost there. Almost there, as you can see. Traffic upon traffic. I managed to get up here, but the brews are all the way down there somewhere. But yeah, we'll make it. Slowly but surely. Full of the vlog, but for our vlog, so yeah. This is creeping, so yeah. Cars parked outside, it's noisy, as in. But yeah, I'll try by all means to get you some content, but yo, it's packed. As you can see, all the way down there, going up there. We're parking outside because there's no more space inside. We came too late for space. People of the vlog, but for our vlog, we're not inside. It's now fun. But then yeah, fun. It's too fully.
Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Yeah. For now, like rolling shot. Pila get day in the life. I see Brazil first.
Mama moye, too late no. Samba mafo, isi koloto no. Imi peji, ya la 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 la. Venga mala, no buenti. Hey, asombi, iya bula.
People of the vlog, I'm taking over because this guy is drunk. So we're at Foy's Mall. See, this is Foy's Mall. Aish, top the convoy. I put my plate because Vele, this is the guy with the earrings. So I put the plate because Vele, I wasn't sure about the khatas, you see, but there was no khatas. But top the vlog, top the convoy, yeah. Then I'm for the plate. People of the vlog, you see what's going on here? People of the vlog. Yeah. You know the things, yeah? You know the things. Yes. Oh yes. Love the vlog. Now it's time to go home. Done for the day. Done enough. Anyways, we're out of here. Peace out.
So yeah, people of the vlog, as I was editing there, I noticed that I haven't given much credit to you guys. Thank you so much for the 1K subscribers, and I hope you comment, like, share, and invite more people to subscribe. This is all to 2K subscribers. Please write there on the comment section, comment whatever that you want to comment, but include hashtag road to 2K, hashtag the daily drive. And this is where we end our vlog. We didn't have a proper outro, so this is the outro. Thank you once again.